Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the most fantastic butterscotch pie ever. This recipe is close to our hearts. It's the perfect blend of sweet and salty. Get ready for a flavor explosion. This recipe is easy to follow. We'll guide you through each step. Soon you'll be enjoying a slice of heaven. Let's get started.
All right, let's kick things off by gathering our ingredients. This is an essential step that sets the stage for an excellent baking adventure ahead. Having everything ready and waiting will make the whole process smooth and oh so enjoyable. So, let's dive into our ingredient list and make sure we have each item at the ready for some delicious fun. For the crust, you'll need 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs. These crumbs will form the base of our delicious dessert, providing a crunchy and flavorful foundation. Next, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. This will add just the right amount of sweetness to our crust, perfectly balancing the flavors. And don't forget the 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted. The butter will bind the crumbs and sugar together, creating a cohesive and delectable crust. For the filling, 1 cup packed with light brown sugar will add a rich caramel-like sweetness to our filling, enhancing the overall flavor. You'll also need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. These ingredients will help thicken our filling and give it the perfect texture. Additionally, we'll need 3 large egg yolks and 2 cups of whole milk. The egg yolks will add richness, while the milk will provide a creamy base for our filling. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract is essential for adding a delightful aroma and depth of flavor to our filling. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This will give our filling a smooth, velvety finish, making it irresistibly creamy. For the whipped cream, use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This will be whipped to perfection, creating a light and airy topping for our dessert. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar will add sweetness to our whipped cream, making it even more delightful. And 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract will enhance the flavor of our whipped cream, making it the perfect complement to our dessert. Make sure you have everything. Now, let's move on to the fun part. With all our ingredients gathered, we're ready to start creating something truly delicious. So, roll up your sleeves and let's get baking. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that your crust bakes evenly and achieves that perfect golden brown color. Preheating the oven allows it to reach the desired temperature before you place your crust inside, ensuring a consistent bake. In a medium bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs, sugar, and melted butter. Mix until well combined. The graham cracker crumbs provide a crunchy texture, while the sugar adds a touch of sweetness. The melted butter acts as a binding agent, holding everything together. Mix thoroughly so that every crumb is coated with the buttery mixture. Press the mixture into an even layer on the bottom and up the sides of a 9-inch pie plate. This step is essential to create a sturdy base for your pie filling. Use gentle but firm pressure to ensure the crust is evenly distributed. An even crust will bake more uniformly and provide a better foundation for your pie. Use your fingers or the bottom of a measuring cup to pack it in tightly. This helps to compress the crumbs and create a solid crust that won't crumble when you cut into your pie. The measuring cup is especially useful for getting into the corners and edges, ensuring a smooth and even surface. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. Keep an eye on the crust as it bakes to prevent it from burning. The goal is to achieve a light golden color, which indicates that the crust is baked through and has a nice, crisp texture. Baking times may vary slightly depending on your oven, so it's always a good idea to check a few minutes early. Set aside to cool completely while you prepare the filling. Cooling the crust is essential to prevent the filling from melting or becoming too runny. Allowing the crust to cool also helps it to firm up, making it easier to handle and ensuring that it holds its shape when you add the filling. Once cooled, your crust is ready to be filled with your favorite pie filling, whether it's classic fruit filling, rich chocolate ganache, or creamy custard. In a large saucepan, whisk together the brown sugar, granulated sugar, cornstarch, and salt. These ingredients form the base of our butterscotch dream, creating a rich and flavorful foundation.
The combination of brown sugar and granulated sugar gives the butterscotch its signature, deep, caramel-like flavor, while the cornstarch helps to thicken the mixture to the perfect consistency. The salt, though used sparingly, enhances the sweetness and balances the flavors beautifully. Gradually whisk in the egg yolks until the mixture is smooth. The egg yolks add a rich, creamy texture to the butterscotch, making it velvety and luscious. Slowly whisk in the milk until the mixture is thoroughly combined and there are no lumps. The milk not only adds creaminess but also helps to meld all the flavors together. Cook over medium heat, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens and comes to a boil. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. As you whisk, you'll notice the mixture gradually transforming, becoming thicker and more cohesive. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1 minute, continuing to whisk constantly. This step ensures that the butterscotch reaches the perfect consistency, smooth and thick, without being too heavy. Remove from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract and butter until melted and smooth. The vanilla extract adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor, while the butter gives the butterscotch a silky finish. Once everything is combined, you'll have a beautifully smooth and rich butterscotch filling, ready to be used in your favorite desserts or enjoyed on its own. The process may seem a bit involved, but the end result is well worth the effort. The butterscotch dream you've created is a testament to the magic that happens when simple ingredients come together in just the right way. Get ready for an unforgettable experience as we dive into the big chill. Pour the hot butterscotch filling into the cooled graham cracker crust. Let the pie cool slightly at room temperature, then cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Chilling the pie allows the filling to set completely. This will give you those perfect, clean slices when you're ready to serve. Let's take a delightful journey down to the enchanting whipped cream Wonderland. Just before serving, let's make the whipped cream. In a large bowl, beat the heavy whipping cream with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. Gradually add the powdered sugar and vanilla extract, continuing to beat until stiff peaks form. Be careful not to overbeat the whipped cream. You can also add a pinch of salt to your whipped cream. It enhances the sweetness and adds a lovely depth of flavor. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for has finally arrived. It's time for the spectacular grand finale. Get ready for an unforgettable conclusion. To serve, dollop generous spoonfuls of whipped cream onto the chilled butterscotch pie. You can get creative with the presentation. For an extra touch of elegance, sprinkle some cocoa powder or chocolate shavings over the whipped cream. Let's celebrate our incredible success together. Congratulations on baking this delicious butterscotch pie. We hope you loved making it as much as we do. Don't forget to share pictures of your beautiful creations on social media and tag us. You can even share in the comments below. We'd love to see them. Get ready to stay in the loop for even more delightful sweet treats. Don't miss out on the deliciousness coming your way. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Remember, the joy of baking comes not just from the sweet treats you create, but from the love, warmth, and memories you mix into every batch. Until next time, happy baking!